Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Got a little emergency water line repair here we're going to do this today. Before we get started on that, give us a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe when you get a chance. To be right down here at the end of the video. We appreciate everybody that subscribes. But we'll get started and I'll explain to you what's going on. This morning when we was leaving for church, I was coming down the driveway and there's a puddle of water sitting down there, and I thought, oh my goodness, what's going on? Because it ain't rained in a long time here. So I stopped looking around, and there's a big 30-inch water on main that goes through here, and I thought maybe it's busted. I'll come over here, tracked it back up this way, and sure enough it's leaking in the meter box. So I turned the water off, and now we're back from church and already ate lunch and everything, so I'm going to try to dig this out and see what happens, or see what's going on. So let's see what's going on with it. All right, it's going to be worse than I thought it was going to be. Okay, about 2 hours of digging, I finally found it. Actually had to bring my tractor in here to take some of the topsoil off. It's down there pretty good. It's probably about, I think it's a whole stick away from the meter. I thought it was kind of in the meter at first, and that's why I started over there. Of course, how I found this is, I dig back and turn the water on, dig back, turn the water on, dig back, turn the water on. Finally, it bubbled up. And that pinpointed it. That's one way to do it. And that makes a mess, because look at me. We ain't got no backhoe or nothing like that. Uh, that's about the only way I know to do it, to find it in a hurry. But right there, if you'll focus down on that, it's right down there. It's in the coupling that's split. Right there. And I think it's probably when they, like I said, they put a big 30-inch water main in here and they had to cut this line. I bet that's where they went back at it and they used, of course, a cheap coupling. You know they are. So anyway, we got to run to the hardware store and get a repair kit, and I'll show you what I get and how I do it and everything. So let's go to the store and we'll be right back. All right, we're back from Home Depot, and I got a compression fitting. It's a 3/4, and what you do is stick it through, you cut your pipe, you stick it on there one way, then you push it back and you tighten these up. It's got little rubber seals in there, seals against the pipe. It worked pretty good, so that's what I decided to use. And so let's get it on. I gotta get in the ditch and get it on. So okay, I got it on there, and no leaks. So it's just a compression. I don't know. I cut the coupling out, slid it over one way and slid it back, tighten it up real as tight as I can get it. So I'm gonna leave that open. I'm gonna come back and check it in the morning. And if it don't work, I'll let y'all know. But I'm calling it success right now. Okay, so it's the next day, and it's middle of the next day, actually about 24 hours, and then no leaks. So I think it turned out really good. So all I gotta do now is cover this up. That'll be the end of this little project. It's not the video I wanted to make today, but sometimes life happens, so I just brought y'all along. And I think that coupling was about $7.50. So I'm glad I had a tractor because it helped. But anyway, hope you liked the video. Give us a thumbs up. Hope you learned something. And just remember, you can do anything you want to by yourself. You just need a little confidence. Somebody show you the way. Anyway, give us a subscribe. Hit the button down there. We're at 92. I need 8 more. And I got mud all in my watch. Wish I took my watch off. At 92 subscribers, but trying to get to 100. Just need 8 more. When we get 100, we'll probably do a giveaway. Maybe some soap and some beeswax cream, stuff like that. We'll do a little giveaway when we hit 100. So if you know somebody that's on the fence, push them over there, get them over here on our side. Anyway, give us a thumbs up. Remember, support your local farmer. We'll see you in the next video.